The Frontier's mid-size bed is a workhorse until you pull up with a full-size motorcycle, a kayak, or a stack of lumber that's 2 feet too long. A bed extender is the cheapest and quickest way to add that extra capacity without swapping trucks. 4 solid options right here. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 4 with X-Terrain. Classic U-shaped design extends 24 inches of usable space over the open tailgate. More outward extension than most competitors offer. Flip it inward with the tailgate closed and it acts as a cargo divider to keep smaller items from sliding around the bed. Aluminum tubes, nylon uprights, weather-resistant and rust-proof. Pin system for fast removal. 6 holes required for install. Drilling template and manual included. Fits 2012 through 2026 Frontier. Number 3, the AMP Research Moto. And the slant-back design is what makes this one different. The angled rear profile is specifically engineered for hauling motorcycles and bikes upright, giving two-wheeled cargo the clearance it needs to sit properly without the tailgate digging into the frame. Flip it forward when the bike's not on board and it contains smaller gear in the bed. Up to 2 feet of enclosed extension when flipped out. 6063 T6 aluminum molded nylon uprights. Made in the USA, backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty. At number 2, the AMP Research Max. Same premium build quality as the Moto, but with a straight profile designed for general cargo rather than bikes specifically. Up to 2 feet of enclosed extension with a tailgate down for lumber, ladders, kayaks, and anything else that's too long for the flatbed floor. Flip it inward and close the tailgate to contain tools and smaller gear. Made in the USA. And the top spot goes to the Genuine Nissan sliding bed extender. And the sliding utility track integration is what earns it. This isn't a fixed position extender that bolts to one spot. It slides freely along the factory utility track rail system to any position along the bed. Locks over the open tailgate when you need cargo extension, and slides back against the cab when you want full bed access without removing anything. Lightweight aluminum with a durable powder coat finish. No aftermarket workarounds. It's designed by Nissan for Nissan. 4 bed extenders for your Nissan Frontier. From the biggest outward extension on the list, to a motorcycle-specific slant-back design to the factory Nissan slider that works with the utility track system without any modifications. All the links are in the video description. Check your model year before ordering. If this helped, subscribe. More Frontier content is on the way.